Hey guys, welcome to a new exciting tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn more about text in Photoshop. Let's start by drawing a shape as a path so we can put some text on it. Let's grab the shape tool from the toolbar at the left and draw the shape. We have many shapes like rectangle, ellipse, polygon, and many others. Let's grab the polygon tool and draw the shape with no fill at the inside. Then click on the text tool on the toolbar to put some text on it. Now we notice that when the cursor is on the canvas area outside the path, it looks like a normal text tool cursor. But when I keep it over the path, it will change, and that changed cursor indicates that your text will be sticking on this path. Now click on that path. You will be able to type your text following that path, and you can also determine the starting point and the ending point. Let's type edit with not. So select the text and press the Ctrl key and hold the Ctrl key, then put the cursor at the start of the text. You can see the changed cursor. Click there and drag the cursor. You will be able to see different points. A little cross here indicates that this is the starting point of text, and there's a little dot symbol indicating the ending point of the text. So you can go out of that limited, you can't go out of that limited area. You can change those points by holding the Ctrl key, then clicking and dragging them. You can flip up and down the text around the path by moving the cursor in and out, the path. The cross is the starting point and the dot is the ending point. We can also do this on a simple path drawn by the pen tool. Let's delete it. Let's delete the layer and start again by using the pen tool. Let's grab the pen tool from the toolbar and draw a simple path. Now you can grab the text tool and put the cursor on the path, and you can type here edit with not 2021. We have the same features as we have seen in the previously, and the text is over the shape path. Now let's talk about customizing font styles. Sometimes the font style can't give you exactly what you want. So in these cases, you need to take some text and modify that as per your requirements. We can start by typing edit with not 2021. Okay. Then we go to its layer, then right click on it on the layer panel and click on create work path. It will convert your text to a path that you can easily modify. Switch off your text layer. You will see it has generated a path around the text, and look here in the path panel, a work panel is created. Click on it and save it. Now if you want to modify the path, then just grab the pen tool from the toolbar and select some points which you want to move and set them according to how you see the design in your mind. You have to hold the Ctrl key and then click and drag any control point the way you want. You can see how I've modified the font and I created a new design. Now let's go to layer. Let's go to the option bar and click on merge shape components. Let's go to the edit with knot and we delete it. Okay. Now we are making a selection. It is selected. We create a new layer and with the paint bucket we can give it a color. So these are some features of text. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching it.